tin the wire and then solder it together. Finally slip some heat shrink over it. That heat shrink's too big. And finally slip some heat shrink over it. And shrink it with the edge of the soldering iron. Beautiful. Now we'll join the other wire of this USB power cable. And heat shrink on the second wire of this USB power cable. Very nice. And finally, I'll slip heat shrink over the whole thing. The whole thing secure and well insulated. Beautiful. And that's how you attach two 20 gauge wires to some what's probably 30 gauge USB cable.